Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Tinder account permanently. First of all, if you are doing this process on your mobile device, open the app. Then on the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile option. Tap on it. Then tap on settings. After that, scroll down until you see delete account on the very bottom of the screen. So tap on it. Then you can see two options, namely pause my account and delete my account. Since we are going to delete our account permanently, we will tap delete my account, which is below the pause my account option. And now you'll have to tell the reason why you are leaving. So you can choose any option, then answer the question and tap continue to account deletion. Then a pop-up will appear where it will again ask you whether you are sure you want to delete your account. So go ahead and tap delete my account, and there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Tinder account. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information and helpful videos like these.